Okay, so this, oh, did I write my date before or not? No, this is the first time we're taking notes, right? 3/10/22, and we're doing supplementary angles level 2. So this is level 2. It is extremely important that you show work. These are the ones that it's hard to use mental math. Okay, so you want to show your work. You want to make sure we're doing these correctly. All right, let's do this. Level 2. So we're going to start off with a supplementary angles. Here and here, here, here. All right, did you draw it? Did you draw it as pretty as mine? All right, so now we have this one is going to be 5x, and this one's going to be 85 degrees. We're ready? Okay, what do we do? What do we start with?
5x plus some 85 equals 180.
Beautiful. So it's going to take us 2 steps to solve this. So we're going to show our work. It's extremely hard to do mental math on this, so you got to show the work. And it's not very hard. What do I have to do first? Cool, so you know the first step is just the same as before. And we got to make sure that we borrow. This becomes a 10 and 7. But wait. I have 7 minus 8. I can't do that, right? So this becomes a 0 and a 17. What is 17 minus 8?
9.
Good.
95, right? 95 by 5.
Yeah. So I'm not done yet. I got 95. But do you see here I have 5x? I don't have just x. So how do I break up the 5 and the x? You divide. So for those of you who put question marks on your homework when it comes to these problems, here I am showing it to you. Is it 19? Miss Amal, I don't know what it is. Can I divide it on the side? Yes. Yes, you can. And show her work. That's cool. X equals 19. So how is this a level 2, not a level 1? You have this like extra step right here. And that's it. Just one extra step and you're fine. We're okay? All right, let's see what we can do with this one. All right, draw another supplementary angle. So straight line, divide. All right, see what you can do with this problem. X plus 14 and 28 degrees. What do I write down?
X plus 14 plus 28 equals 180.
Perfect. Love it. Thank you. Is equal to 180. Good morning.
I did 2 steps.
Oh, you could do it 2 steps in which it's totally doable. And some kids feel comfortable that way. Some kids feel comfortable doing this. Minus 28, minus 28. So you get 10, 7, 52. And then you get x plus 14, then minus 14, minus 14. X equals 138, right? You still get the same answer. You're just taking one number at a time. And that's perfectly fine. If your brain sees, you know what, we're going to take one number at a time, cool. If your brain's like, hey, let's put these 2 together, cool. All right, let's do another one. Sorry about that. You just did. I was on the phone. Oh, Oh, good. Right. We all saw y'all working there. I know. 79 degrees x minus 22. Ooh. There's a minus. I wonder what's going to happen. Ruben, I want one earbud out. Well, so it would be 79 plus x minus 22 equals 180, right? So that's your first setup, right? Everyone in the class should be able to write this all out, right? Like, that's your first step. Now, there's two ways to do it. You can do it Victor's way, which is moving one number at a time. Or you can put these two numbers together. But kids sometimes get this wrong because they ignore that this is a minus 22. Right? So can I put 79 plus 22? No, your hair's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You gotta focus on this though. It's 57. But some kids are like, oh no, I add these two. It's like, no, because there's a minus. So I'm gonna do Victor's way and do one number at a time.
I got 113.
All right, let's see if your answer matches my answer. I'm gonna do it differently. So I'm gonna draw my bars. Right here it says minus 22. So what are you gonna do? Add 22. So Santiago, we're going to add 22 to this side. Add 22 to this side. I'm going to add. Don't be me first period where I still subtracted. It was terrible. 202 equals 79 plus x. How do I move the 79? Subtract 79. Subtract 79. Ooh. All right, borrowing very differently. What does the 2 become?
12.
12. What does the 0 become?
10.
No.
Oh, 9.
9. What does a 2 become?
1.
1. This is like level 5 on borrowing. But you're good, right? Okay, what's 12 minus 9? Yeah, 12 minus 9. 3. What's 9 minus 7? 2. And then the 1. Bring it straight down. 123. Is that what you got, Angel?
123?
Yeah.
I got 113.
Uh-oh. Should be 123. Did you get, you went 79 minus 22 and got 57? Did you get 57?
Yeah, I got 7.
Okay, so 180 minus 57. This becomes...
I changed the 8 into a 6.
But good thing you showed work and you caught yourself, which is good. Okay, let's do one more like this. Because these are the tricky ones. Yay us, we're still continuing to work. Yay. 130 x minus, let's say, 14. All right. 130 plus what?
Minus 14. X minus 14.
Okay, Santiago, let's not get her in trouble. So you're focusing on over here. All right. Now, if you're cool, you're going to take the 130 minus 14 and figure that out. If you're cool, you're going to move one number at a time. Either way, you're cool. How do I move the 14? Add 14, add 14. So you're left with 130 plus x equals 194.
Are you subtracting 130 and 14?
You can't. Remember, if you were cool, you were going to do that by yourself. And if you're cool, you're going to do it this way. Then minus 130, minus 130. So x equals 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1. I got 64. No matter which way you do it, you got 64, right? So there's two ways to do it. And actually there's three ways. You could have moved the 130 first and then the 14.
When I subtracted 130 and 14. I got 116. You still got the answer.
Yeah, no. There's two ways to do it. There's two ways. Like, let me. I didn't do this problem. Second period. Second period, I took the shortcuts. This class, I'm moving like a different way, a different direction. Any questions?